Let's follow me how to make this text effect. First, prepare the dark background using gradient. Lock layer 1 and add new layer. Prepare the text. Right-click and create outlines. Set align center. Right-click, transform, and move. Fill position -12. And copy. Ctrl D. Selection and press Shift X. Change stroke thickness. Selection this and fill gradient color. Selection this, go to fill color. Swatch libraries, pattern, and select basic graphics lines. You can use this number 3. Go to Object, Pattern, Edit Pattern. Change this to white color. And click Done. Select and right-click. Transform, rotate. Uncheck Transform Object, fill the angle. Go to Object and Expand. Go to Effect, Stylize, Outer Glow. You can follow the setting like this. Finally, selection, right-click, and group. Set align center. Finish. OK. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.